room, and I can't breathe. Every word you say, it cuts me deep. I try to smile, pretend it's all okay, but inside I'm crumbling, can't make it stay. Your touch, it lingers, it leaves a mark, but being near you tears me apart. I need some space, some time to heal, to find myself and remember what I feel. I can't be around you right now, right now. I need to find my way somehow, somehow. Every moment, every memory is too hard for me.